x-intercept y is 0. You need to get it to expression equals a number. So we're going to switch y is 0. Okay, we have to get everything away from the absolute value first. 2 times the absolute value of x plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, it's not no solution because we're the result of a absolute value. Some of these should be inequalities. So x is -1. That's for the positive sloped ray. This is for the negative sloped ray. Distribute that -1 across to get that slope negative for that negative ray. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I subtract 9. Now I'm going to multiply. I multiply by the reciprocal. Let's see, does that work? -6, 6. Yeah, where's 7? Alright, we got it. So we can find the y-intercepts. X is 0. So I'm going to plug it in for x. 0 plus 9 is 9. The absolute value of 9 is 9. So, I had to refilm this part of the videos because I forgot we were doing y-intercept. I did the x-intercept, so you can see all that white out. Okay. Y-intercept is x is 0. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. I know I'm going to have to turn that into 6 over 3. Oh, sorry. So I did negative 1/3 times the absolute value of negative 5, which was 5, which turned into negative 5 over 3. Then I did plus 6 over 3, and I got 1/3. My y-intercept 0 1/3. Couple things. Use the graph to the right to complete the information. So this is the axis of symmetry. The vertex is here. So for the equation, we need y equals a is changing y over x to right point of vertex. So a fall 2, run 1, and then the slope on that side is 2 over 1. But you go, a is this one. So the vertex is negative 1, 2. You go y equals a, negative 2, x, opposite h. So, couple things. Use the graph to the right to complete the information. This is the axis of symmetry. The vertex is here. So for the equation, we need y equals a is changing y over x to right point of vertex. So a fall 2, run 1, and then the slope on that side's 2 over 1. But you go, a is this one. So the vertex is negative 1, 2. You go y equals a, negative 2, x, opposite h. Okay, I saw a mistake I made. I did the y-intercept. Okay, so this is where I was your x plus 1 plus 2, x-intercept. That's 0, 0. And x-intercept is the y-intercept. Okay, domain. All real numbers. Negative infinity to infinity. So if you look at 2, the y's down 40, up 1, down 20, up 1. So not linear. Okay, so it's non-linear. Non-linear. And that wasn't consistent slope. So this is non-absolute value because the change in y over x is not the same. Okay, so that leaves exponential. Okay, I'll explain why it's exponential. Okay, So exponential equation is y equals a times b to the x. A is the initial amount, b is the common ratio. Or basically, to find the common ratio, okay, you could do y2 over y1 to find b. So we got 20 over 4. So b is a half. And what that means is this, is we're multiplying. We did times a half. Half of 80 is 40. We did times a half, 20. Times a half, 10. 10 times a half is 5. So b is 1/2. The common ratio between the y's is 1 to 2. The initial amount was the y-intercept. So you go y equals initial times b to the x. As the y's keep getting half smaller, they're going to get small really fast. Okay, so picking between the two, you always want to do change in y over x. Okay, change in y, change in y, change in x. That went up 9. That went up 3. This is how you rule out linear and absolute value. So it'd be 3 over 1. Up 3. Up 1. So again, it's looking good, looking good. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, this is the vertex. Vertex is 2, 5. How do I know that? Well, it goes down 3, up 1. Then it goes down 3. X goes up 1. So that it's not linear. It's non-linear. It's non-exponential. Because 2 divided by -7 is -2/7. 2 times -2/7 isn't 5. So it's going to be in the, this is going to be an absolute value. Because vertex, see, like this one would open down from here. So there we go. So for the equation, we got to have that vertex, which is 2, 5. A is the change in y over change in x to right of vertex. So the one directly to the right would be -3 over 1. And it goes y equals a, x minus h plus k. And here's h, k. You do opposite hk. So you go y equals -2, opposite h, minus 2. I'm out of whiteout. Negative 2 times opposite h. K stays the same.